welcome back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, we are continuing our series, the ultimatemedium.com course, part 23 of 30, how to properly reply to comments on your medium.com stories, my friends. Very important. Even though the big writers, what they do is they don't reply to comments, my friends. They will ignore your comments. The very big top writers, they just write stories, medium stories, and they ignore the comments, my friends. Comments on medium are having extreme high value these days, because the new CEO of medium have specifically said that engagements like comments and claps, not so much claps but comments, will be considered in the medium algorithm a lot, and those stories will be pushed by the medium algorithm. So comments are really important. So replying to comments is equally very important. I'll go to my responses, my friends, and if you see, I won't show you the original comment, but I said I have to agree with you to somebody. Then I asked a question about Google Sparrow would be like in competition against ChatGPT. I kinda agree with you. Sure, why not? Thanks for the suggestion. Thanks for the kind support. Appreciate you reading and commenting. Very important comment, my friends. Appreciate you reading and commenting. Thank you for reading and commenting. Haha, you made me smile. Thanks for this awesome comment. Haha, thanks for stopping by. Digital marketers, this is on some other. A lot of reliable sources have confirmed very good points. I having concise to-do list. Thank you for reading and commenting. Have a wonderful day. What did you learn from this? What the idea behind responding to a comment means that most of the time, 99% of the time, you agree with the commenter. You thank and appreciate the commenter. And if you don't like the comment, simply block that person off. If you think that he's abusing you or just gaining the system out of you, just block him, block that comment out. However, most of the times, over 99% of the time, just agree with the commenter, not to the comments, and appreciate the comments that are getting to you, because these are gold. These are like gold coins, my friends. Comments are like gold coins on Medium these days, especially after the new CEO of Medium updated the system, the algorithm. So this is how you respond to comments, my friends. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, as part 24 is coming right up. Part 24 is coming right up, my friends. Take care.